Once you guys got another video on how to completely delete all of your Google search history. Quick question, did you know how much Google actually remembers about you? Every search, every topic, everything that you have searched for years is stored. In this video, I'll show you how to completely delete all your Google search history and a setting that you can set to stop it coming back. Now, you may be thinking that when you clear your browsing history, it wipes all of your Google and YouTube search history. And this is not true. Basically, everything can be brought back just as it was back when you watched it. For instance, you can view videos you watched in 2020, and that's what we'll take a look at today. So welcome back to the channel. If you care about your privacy or you just want Google to stop remembering everything you searched for and watched, then you're in the right place. So let's jump straight in and take a look. First, head over to myactivity.google.com, myactivity, and it will look something like this. So it says My Google Activity. The activity you keep helps Google make services more useful for you, like helping you rediscover the things that you search for, read and watched. You can see and delete your activity using the controls page, which is down below here. And I'll show you that in a second. But basically, that's what they're saying. They're storing everything you searched and looked at in the past, and this gives them a profile of you so they can serve you better. This is on the web and app activity. We have timeline and also YouTube history. Now, I've turned the first two off before, but you also have YouTube history here, which is on. And I've left it on for a reason, because I want to show you how far you can actually go back. You can go back for many years and see all of the videos and content that you've searched for and watched on your channel. And even if you use some browsing cleaning software, it's not going to remove it because it's tied to your YouTube and Google account. Have you ever wondered why that video was pushed into your feed? Well, it's probably come from your search history where you've watched it many years ago, and all of a sudden it will push it onto you again, thinking you might be interested in watching it again. So you can customize and filter some of this right here, like so, but it's not very helpful. And I'll show you how you can get a much better search by looking at some of the previous videos you've looked at by using their calendar feature. You can see there is tons of shorts here because sometimes you procrastinate and you just basically start scrolling. And before you know it, you've just been scrolling for an hour on YouTube Shorts, not actually concentrating on what's on there. You're just scrolling through. And this is what Shorts are. And this is why people get so hooked on them. They have an hour's break for dinner and they will end up scrolling through all of the shorts. The longer you stay on that short, the more YouTube thinks that that sort of content interests you and then starts pushing them types of videos onto your feed. So to delete all your history or even view it, you can go to Other Activity up on the top left-hand side here on a desktop PC. From here, we're going to manage our activity on YouTube history. Now you'll see there is a little calendar and a search box appeared right here. You can see auto delete is turned off. That means that every video you look at and search for will be stored in their database. From here, we can go back. Let's go back to 2020. Click a day, click OK, click apply, and there we go. All of the videos that you was looking at in 2020 are listed all right here. And that's basically it. You can scroll through here and there'll be tons of videos. Let's go back and see how far we're going to go back here. We'll go back and maybe we'll do 2015 or something like that. So let's go back to 2015. Select a day and then click OK and click apply, and up all of the videos that you were watching and searching for in 2014 here. As you can see, it's gone right back, and I can scroll through many videos for many days that I was viewing right back at that time. Quite scary, isn't it? It's a little bit like Recall on Windows 11, where it's just basically taking a snapshot of all of your search history and all of the videos that you were watching back then when you were signed into that account, because you have to be signed in for it to be able to tie it to that account. Now, I've had new computers by this point, but it's tied to your account and not the computer, and it's not tied to, say, for instance, your browsing history. So no matter how much you clean your browsing history, all of this will always be there. And this was a heavy topic back in the day about mobile phones and things like that, and I was watching videos on that sort of topic back then. So it just goes to show you really how invasive this can be, really, in my opinion, because it is storing pretty much all of your searching habits on YouTube and also Google. Now, you can turn this on to basically auto-delete activity older than 36 months, or you can say do not auto-delete any activity because you might want it to recommend certain videos to you. For instance, if you watch a lot of tech stuff, it's going to know you like that sort of content and it's going to push tech stuff in your feed. If you clear all your feed out, it's not going to know what you like and you're going to get just random stuff. If we click on this delete now, we can delete all time. This means it will delete every single search history going right back to how far ever back they've started this. So I'm going to click delete all right here and you'll see it just gives you a preview window of some of the videos that what it's going to be deleting. And these are old videos that you were looking at back in the day. But it does say here, confirm you would like to delete the following activity. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on your YouTube history to personalize your experience. This is your searching habits and viewing habits. You are now erasing all of that. You select YouTube activity will be permanently deleted, for example, and it will give you an example of the videos that you are going to be removing. And when you click delete, it says deletion complete. Your activity you selected has been permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. And that's basically what it says there. And it says privacy tip, explore activity for other Google services that save similar data. This is all about saving data and data harvesting of everything you do on your PC when you're on Google and when you're on a tablet or you're on a phone or you're on YouTube. And I bet there's tons of people that didn't even know this was a thing or even existed. So that's basically how YouTube, Google, and companies like this store information on you. You've got activity controls again for the timeline here. I've already got this turned off, but you can see here helps you go back in time and remember where you've been by automatically saving your visits and routes to maps and stuff like that. So if you're out using it for Google Maps and stuff and you're driving somewhere and you're using it, it will save all that information as well on there. So it's got a ton of information that is stored on your account. So let me know in the comment section down below whether you actually knew this existed or whether you even knew this was a thing and whether you knew that clearing your browsing history didn't actually clean this. And you can now see we have no activity. Some activity may not appear yet. And you can set this up to auto delete for the days and months that you want, or just have it done set to manual where you can do it yourself. Anyway, but that said, I think that's going to be about it. Just a quick video for today. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as always. And I hope you're having a lovely weekend and I shall catch you in the very next video. And before I go, I just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members, whether you're supporting me via tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 support. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the very next video. Bye for now.